are you doing? Is that right? Did you have a good day at school?
Shopping. Yeah.
Good morning and welcome to my channel. So it's a new day. It is Thursday. We've got a pretty jam-packed weekend organised so far. So our friends get the keys to their new house tomorrow that they've just purchased. So we're going to start helping them move tomorrow, and then Saturday is going to be all hands on deck. Today I'm maybe do some tidy up, maybe get down in the orchard and mow the lawns. At the moment I'm just catching up on my favorite YouTubers. I haven't watched YouTube in so long, so yeah, that's what I'm doing today. Just having a relaxed one and watching my favorite YouTubers. So it's been 2 weeks since we've been down here. We first did the initial cut. I'm gonna grab the the push mower now and just whack it down a bit. I was going to get the rake and start raking stuff up, but it looks like the grass and everything started to grow again. So I'm going to cut all that back with the push mower. So we'll jump to a time lapse now. Wow, I do not know why my audio went like that. It was a bit strange, but anyway. So here's me getting the lawnmower started. I decided that once I got it started, I was going to focus down the other end. This end has a gate that we've put in that you can't remove yet, and we wanted to get it all cleared up so that we can remove it and add in a swinging gate for my partner to be able to get the ride on up and down. So this day I checked the temperature after I had done this, and it was 27 degrees with 88% humidity. It was so hot, I only got a little bit done and I was dripping sweat into my eyes. So when Chris got home that afternoon, he jumped on the ride on and finished it off for me. Now I decided that I wanted to start raking all the cut grass off the fence line so that we could get closer to the fence and find the little gardens and rocks that the previous owners of the property had put in. So my house used to be in Home and Garden magazine, and there was no lawn then. It was all gardens, and the old owners, I've heard, actually had weddings here as well. We do not own this property, but we have been given permission to do everything we're doing to the property by the owner of the property. Good morning and welcome. We have just dropped the kids off and we're heading to our mate's house. Hey babe.
Yep.
Gonna go help them move into their new home, and yeah. I didn't film much on this day. It was all hands on deck to get it done and get them moved. So we're all packed up doing our first load. So exciting. So after we got them moved into their new home, we helped them put together all their baby furniture, who is incoming in 4 weeks. But yeah, so exciting, and I'm so glad we got to help. How many guys does it take to put together a baby's drawers? Good morning. It is Sunday. We got home and relaxed last night. Now we are moving the cut down feijoa trees from here to there. I haven't got my tripod up here, so I'm just gonna do it and I'll show you an after picture. But yeah, this is it so far. As you can see from that pile, me and Chris had already done a lot of moving of trees from the bottom of the section up to this paddock. The landlord had asked me to put the cuttings from the trees in this pile for winter when it's a little bit wetter and he can have it burn off. The only dumb thing about this is that we had to carry them from the bottom of the section to the top, and it was so muggy and hot.
I wouldn't mind if it was just straight hot, but it was muggy as well, and there was no breeze at all this day. So we did what you can see here, and then we gave up for the day and just rested in the house and did stuff in the house instead. Okay, you just see me dragging branches. That's what Chris is doing while I'm doing that. So he's got rid of 2. Yep, 1, 2. He's got a third one to go. Good afternoon. So I'm gonna clean this kitchen a bit. I might only film some of it because I might jump on TikTok live, but yeah. This is what we're starting with. So we're gonna switch to a time lapse now, and we'll see how far we go. As I stated in my last vlog, I got a new camera holder, and I'm hoping you're liking these new angles. I thoroughly enjoy it, and yeah, just choosing where the camera goes and everything. It makes life a hell of a lot easier so you can actually see what I'm doing. I am still figuring out placement and everything, but as we get used to it, we'll get better and find the best place for it. I'm not going to do much of a voiceover over this cleaning because you kind of understand what I'm doing. I've done it multiple times before, and yeah, so I'm just loading the dishwasher and then cleaning the rest of the kitchen. But yeah, so hope you enjoy just the music and the cleaning. So after I finished the kitchen, I just sat down and I just hung out with my kids for the rest of the afternoon. This clip is filmed a few hours after the last one, and I decided while the kids were in the bath that I would clean up the lounge. So those of you that have followed me for a while know that my partner does the girls' bath and stuff, and then I do bedtime, which works for us and is good for the moment. So I got the lounge done while Chris had them in the bath, which was good because it needed to be done. Because my cousin was coming over the next day with her kids.
Made lots of mistakes, taking shots, skipping breaks, feeling lost, feeling great, popping off, singing straight, never stopped, never changed. All the squad here to play, and I've got something to say, yeah. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
So I didn't film anything on Monday while my cousin was here. We just hung out. It's been a while since we've been able to just hang out and just talk without anyone else being around. So we just did that, and we're going to jump straight into Tuesday from here. Good afternoon and welcome. Gosh, it's Tuesday at 11:52, so it's still the morning. But I'm just going to start doing some washing, so we'll chuck a time lapse in of me doing washing. Feels like it's been forever since I've done one of these vlogs, like one of these segments in the vlogs. But yeah, okay, let's snap right into it. I have so much washing to get done and put away, so let's do this. So instead of you seeing me dancing and singing to my washing folding this time, I actually found a podcast to listen to, a true crime one, about something that's happening in Australia at the moment. And I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was really nice to be able to just listen to something and fold all my washing at the same time. It still made everything go real quick, but yeah, so just no singing and dancing in this one. Sorry guys. So I was enjoying my podcast and everything, and then Emily decided to come in. At first it was okay. I asked her to go to the lounge and she didn't want to. She wanted to get dressed, like changed, because she had a spot on her shirt from breakfast. But I said to her, you have to go into the lounge and I will come get you changed once I'm done in here. And she just threw a fit. That's why you see her disappear and then pop up and then me stop and talk to her. So that's all that happened. It happens. My child has autism and she just doesn't understand the concept of not right now. So, yes.
Hey, Jasmine editing here. I just wanted to say a massive thank you for watching. If you could like, comment, subscribe, that would be amazing. But also, I wanted to give a little special thanks to all my subscribers out there. So far we have 65 of you. I am so proud of how far we've come. I am more confident on camera. And yeah, so I just want to say thank you. Let's see what 2025 brings for us. We're only 1 month in and we've already got this far. So let's keep growing, guys. Okay, thanks again. Have a good night and I'll see you next week.